King Cuz back on the Festo channel, here with my brand new C8 Corvette. We're taking some stickers off. They do look pretty good, but we're gonna clean it up, so no stickers.
You got your heat gun set there. That's not a hair dryer, it's a heat gun, so it gets hotter than a hair dryer. And all you want to do is just kind of heat it up a little bit, start softening the adhesive. And then you grab a little edge and peel it back. All right,
One.
And what's the reason you decided to take these stickers off there, cuz?
I mean, just a cleaner look. I mean, stickers you can put on back on, but you know, just kind of like the clean look. And if I don't like the clean look, I can always go back with something different. Here we are. I put the stickers on the C8. Now you can see that's nice and clean. No badging on the side. Nice clean look. What do you think? So would you remove the decals? What's your opinion? Festo channel, King Cuz out.